Hello everyone. Today topic is Waschel algorithm. The Waschel algorithm for transitive closure. See, we already know transitivity in a discrete mathematics. What people are studying? There reflexive, symmetric, and transitivity. Say that concept I'm going to use here is a transitive closure. It actually means why do we want this transitive closure in especially when I will give an example in a networking field. See, consider you are there here. Source, consider you are in Bandarghatta. Okay, you are calling to the Jaydeva nearby another person is there. When you call NAT, directly won't connect it to this. First will check reachable or not. How they going to check in the background program? See, they can't communicate this tower to directly to this. There is a range is not there. On that time, the first it will connect I to K. Connectivity is existing or not. See, there is a connectivity existing. Okay, then it is I to K. There is a path. Then K to J tower. Okay, there is a existing path. Yes, there is a path existing. Then from these two condition I can say there is a path I to J through K. Okay, that is having a path. Then we can communicate source to destination through somewhere is RK, we can tell it RK station. Okay, source you consider Bandarghatta, destination is Jaydeva, and you can communicate Jaydeva, you are there. Then you will communicate through Arkere base station to Jaydeva base station. Okay, this is a simple example. Okay, where they are going to use transitive closure. We'll take in a video, they will give the graph like this. In an exam, they will give the graph like this. In this graph, there are 4 nodes are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it comes in a 6 to 8 marks in the main exam. See, they are given a connectivity graph. By using this, they are saying that find transitive closure. Question will be like this. You have to solve by this using this graph. First, you have to step 1, you have to find R naught of 0. You have to write matrix, adjacency matrix. Okay, what are the nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 1, any connectivity, there is no loop, then you have to be 0. 1 to 2, there is a edge, yes, then you have to make it 1. 1 to 3, there is no edge, 0. 1 to 4, there is no edge. See, there is a direction is like this. There is no direction from 1 to 4. Then you have to make it 0 here. Then 2 to 1, there is no connection. 2 to 2, there is no loop. Then 2 to 3, there is no direct connection. 2 to 4, yes, there is a connection. When a connection is there, make it 1. There is no connection, write 0. See here again, 3 in the 3 to 1, there is no connection. 3 to 2, there is no edge. 3 to 3, there is no self loop. 3 to 4, there is no edge. 4 to 1, there is a edge. Yes, there is a edge 4 to 1. Then you make it 1. 4 to 2, there is edge, no. Make it 0. There is a edge from 2 to 4. There is no edge from 4 to 2. That actually means the arrow mark is given here. 4 to 3, there is a edge. Yes, there is existing edge. Make it 1. 4 to 4, there is no edge. Initially, you have to mark like this. Okay, this is we call it 0 1 matrix. If edge existing, okay, then make it 1. If no existing, put a 0 here. This is the first step. You are going to take it like that. In a step 2, that's important. This is a step 1. Then again you have to write same matrix. Step 2 like this in R of 1 inside. Then you have to select first column and first row like this. You have to mark it. See, once again, select first column and first row, vertically and horizontally. First one you have to select it. Here in a column, see this is the column. In this column, where 1 is there? 1 is there here. See here 0, 0, 0, 1. Then how to identify this position? Okay, in a column. Okay, identifying a position. Position in this position is 4, 1. This 1. Then next one is here is there only one. Comes to this horizontal part in a row. In this here is 1 is there. In the row 1, 2. It is 1. Getting? Okay. There only 1 is here. All are 0. Say 4, 1, 1, 2. There is a 4, 1 and 1, 2. Then we can say there is a path existing 4, 2. There is a path 4 to 1, 1 to 2. I can say there is a path existing 4 to 2. 4 to 2. See, where is the 4 to 2 in this? See here, 4 to 2. 4 to 2 here. This I have to mark. This I have to mark to 1. I'm replacing 0 by 1. See, what the condition saying that 4 to 1 there is 1. 1 to 2 is 1. Then there is a path 4 to 1. Then 1 to 2. Then say there is a path existing 4 to 2. That means there is a path existing like this. That's the idea behind the Washer algorithm. Next, this is step 2. Is finished. That's only combinations possible. Next, you go for step here only I'm going to do step 3. Step 3. Please take same matrix, rewrite it in a step 3. Rewrite it. What is the replacement happened in last one? You make it that is 1. This is the happened in the earlier. In the step 2 is happened this is. Okay, listen here. Step 3, I have to make it intermediate node is 2. 2 is here. Make it is vertically second column you have to select. Second row you have to select it. Second row. Like this you have to select. Here first you have to write column selection. Say in this column wherever 1 is there, 1 is existing here. Yeah, what is this position called? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. There is a edge is existing 1. Next row. Row wise. Here. Say one more this side. One more is there. Column. This one, another is 1 is there here. That is 4, 2 also 1. 4, 2 also 1. Next you go combination in the row wise here in the row in this horizontally 0 0 0 this one is there. For this one you call what? 2 comma 4. It is 1. Okay, make a combination for this. Okay, select this one and select this one. There is a path existing 1 comma 2 and path existing from 2 comma 4. Then we can say there is a path existing the 1 comma 2 2 comma 4. Then we can say there is a path existing 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 any there? Check it out. 1 comma 4. This is 1 comma 4. Earlier is 0. Now it is, make it to 1. Next is the combination. 1 comma 2 is over. 4 comma 2. There is a path existing 4 comma 2 and take some combination with column wise to row wise. 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Okay. There is a path existing 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. Then there is a path existing 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4, where will get off? Here. 4 comma 4. Make it 4 comma 4 to 1. Earlier 0, replace that one to 1. Okay, there's only the two possible combinations. You have to make a combination like this and mark that 1 comma 4, 4 comma 4 as a, if 0 is there, make it to 1. There is a step 3. Now step 4, listen here. Now step 4, again I will write here, step 4. Again you write a matrix, resultant matrix 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Here, now step 4. Say what are the items are there? Write down here. 0 1 0 1. What is the last changed? All those values have to write it. 0 0 0 1. Then 0 0 0 0. Fourth one is 1 1 1 0. This is most important. Okay, listen here. Yeah, one I forgot to listen here. Here there is I marked 1. Then you have to change this one also 1. You have to observe properly. What is the last step changed? All those things have to be put on to the next step. Here R of 2, now R of 3, third row and third column have to be selected. Okay. Okay, here third column it is this one. You have to select third one. Okay. Third row. Select it. This way you have to select it. Okay. Then if you first you come for the vertical selection, column selection. Column where the 1 is there, 0 0 0 1 here. 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 it is 1. It's true? Yes. That is a 4 comma 3 it is 1. What about row? If you come off, that's important. Row 0 is there, 0 0 0. No edge. No edge is having 1. Then what you are going to do? In this step, no change the matrix because there is no combination is existing. See, in earlier we are finding column and row. combination is existing 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. I can make it 1 comma 4 like that. Here there is only one edge is there, no combination, then matrix won't change. Okay, matrix won't change. It returns same. Keep it same like that. This is step 4. Then when combination exists, then only the table is changes. This is step 4. It's a last step. Last step. I'm writing this one. Step 5. Step 5. Intermediate node is make it to 4. 4. I'm changing this one. You have to write all the steps. In every steps you have to write matrix. Here I am selecting. Say selecting 4th row, 4th column and 4th row. Consider this. I select like this 4th row, where it is like this 4th row and 4th column. Okay, here column. Okay, in the column, what are the where is 1 is there? In the column 1 is existing. 1 comma 4 is 1. Then 2 comma 4 also 1. Then 4 comma 4 that also 1. Leave it. Then here consider this one. Here is finished. Vertical is finished. You have to see in horizontal. Then row. Here 4 comma 1 combination finished, 1 existing. 4 comma 2 4 comma 2 is 1. Then 4 comma 3 1. 4 comma 4 already we took. I think no need to take this one also. Consider this way. Now we have to make combination. 4 comma 4 don't want to take again. Okay. Then you have to make combinations of all. First you consider this one and this one. 1 comma 4 and 4 comma 1. There is a existing 1 comma 4 path and 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. Then there is a path existing 1 comma 1. 1 in the 4, 4 in the 1. The 1 to 4, 4 to 1. Then we can say there is a path existing 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Then 1 to 1 is where? What is there is a 1 to 1? 1 to 1 is 0 is there. You make it like this, make it to 1. That's that one. Here, next one, next combination. 1 to 4, 4 to 2. 1 to 4 and 4 to 2. Then we say there is a path 1 to 4. 4 to 2, we say the path is 1 to 2. 1 to 2, see 1 to 2 already is 1 is there. Now new combination 1 to 2 is existing. Then no problem, already is 1 is there, no need to replace. No need to change, already it is 1, no need to change. Next combination. Next combination 1 to 4, 4 to 3. It is 1 to 4 and 4 to 3. Then say 1 to 4, 4 to 3. Then say 1 to 3. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is what? 1 to 3 is 1. Here next one. Next one. You see, take the combination 2 to 4, 2 again from beginning. 2 to 4, 4 to 1. Yeah. 2 to 4 and 4 to 1. 2 to 4, 4 to 1 it is. There is a fourth 2 to 1. See, 2 to 4, it is intermediate 4. 4 to 1, we say there is a path 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is this one. It is what is there here? 0 is there. 0 can be replaced 1. Next one. Next one. 2 to 4, 4 to 2. 4 to 2. Yeah. 2 to 4 and 4 to 2, there is a path existing. Then you can say, there is a path 2 to 2 existing. 2 to 2, what is there here? 2 to 2 is 0. You are making to 1. 2 to 2. Next, then 2 to 4, 4 to 3. 2 to 4 and 4 to 3. Then there is a fourth existing 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Say 2 to 3. See here, 2 to 3 is 0 earlier. I am replacing that one into 1. Next combination. Next combination. See, this combination is over. 2 to 4, this one is over. 2 to 4, this is over. 2 to 4, this 4 to 3 is over. Next you have to choose this one. 4 to 4 and 4 to 1. I think there is no change. This one. 4 to 4 and 4 to 1. Then 4 to 4, 4 to 1. It is what? It is 4 to 1 only. 4 to 1, it is already existing and it already 1, no need to change. Next combination 4 to 4 and 4 to 2. 4 to 4, 4 to 2. Here also it is 4 to 4 and 4 to 2 it is. 4 to 2 is path existing. 4 to 2 already it is 1, no need to replace. Then 4 to 2, 4 to 3. 4 to 3, 4 to 4 to 4 to 3, then path is 4 to 3, that is also already existing. No more combination. If you made a combination to 1 to 4 to 4 to 1 and 1 to 4 to 4 to 2 and 4 to 3, like that you made